Welcome back to my channel. I'll Lucas again from Langley, BC. Ito po yung aming neighborhood at ito naman po yung aming cherry tree. So, ngayon po, araw ng Lunes, basura day, kaya you could see some of the trash can in front of the houses. Pero, what can capture your eyes is the beautiful big tree of cherry. Yung kulay pink po. Yan. Every year, isa yan sa pinakamalaking puno dito sa amin. Kasi itong aming street, Wildwood Drive, and Langley Meadows in particular, were provided by the Japanese government trees, cherry blossoms trees from Japan. So, lahat halos ng bahay dito, in front of their house, may cherry tree. Some cherry trees are yung talagang pwedeng kainin. Sabi nila itong amin daw cherry trees ay namumunga. Inabutan ko pa, maliit lang. Parang yung regular cherry fruits at napakatamis. No? So, sa ngayon, because we cut some of the branches, hindi ganun kalaki sa kapitbahay namin yung cherry trees namin. So, ito lang po. And then, hindi na makita. Gawa ng yung sa may gilid naman namin, nag-i-start ng magmulaklak ang aming magnolia. So, doon po yung malapit sa car. So, yan po ang aming neighborhood dito sa Langley Wildwood Drive. And, ang aking apo ay nandito sa windows namin at siya ay looking over the garden while watching her iPad at talaga po namang nag-i-enjoy siya kahit nasa loob kasi spring break ng mga bata. She does her painting here, nagdo-drawing siya while watching her iPad. Whatever illustration or drawing she could get from there ay based on her imagination, she started to draw. Oh, may lucky penny pa daw siya. So, ganito lang kaming maglola every morning. Pag wala kaming magawa, lang kami, watching ng birds. What else? What else with butterflies? And a lot more. Minsan may squirrel. Sa atin sa Pilipinas, we can only find squirrel sa mga Manila Zoo. Yan. So, nakaka-enjoy po kasi spring. Ang spring po ay isa sa pinakamagandang season sa North America. Kasi doon ka makakakita ng colorful flowers and a lot of fruit-bearing trees, no? So, may mga hellebores, may candy cane, candy tops, at saka lavender, heathers, and tulips, crocus, yan ang mga halaman na makikita. So, meron ako niyan, a little bit of that in my front yard. Ito, pinapakita ko sa inyo. So, hanggang dito na lang po at gusto ko lang makapture yung aming kasi first time namin magkaroon ng bulaklakang cherry trees. Kasi ang cherry tree namin ay usually kinakat down namin kasi super laki nito when we came here. No? Medyo delikado kasi during windstorm, yung mga big branches sumatama sa glass window namin. So we try to cut down. We hire somebody to cut down the trees. And so, as part of maintenance, my husband does it or my youngest daughter kasi meron silang biniling tools to help them cut the trees, yung mga big branches. So, safe during windstorm and merong snowstorm, something like that. So, ganyan lang po kami ngayon. No? Yung iba naming kapitbahay have white cherry trees cherry blossoms, kami pink, at saka yung aming sa isang kapitbahay, double ang petals niya. Sa amin po, single petal cherry blossom. So, again, this is Au Lucas from Langley, BC. I hope everybody is having a good time in their own countries, in Canada, in their own places, cities, municipalities, at sana po masaya po tayo dahil another day, another hope, another time to celebrate and cherish our memories. So, Au Lucas again, saying, every day is a blessing. Marami pong salamat, Lord, for the cherry trees, for the beautiful flowers you have provided us, and for the beautiful light. Shout out sa mga kakilala kong nagse-celebrate ng birthday, si Cecil Mercado, si Chat Palyarca, ang aking anak sa sa March 28, at marami pang iba. Enjoy your day. Bye for now. Ang iyong karitari at kaplantita, Au Lucas. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye!